Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find your NGL ID so you can share your anonymous message link on social media. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official NGL website, ngl.link. Now, you'll see a big text box asking for your Instagram username. Type your IG handle in there. Don't include the $or symbol. Once you enter your username, click the Get Questions button. You'll now be taken to your NGL link page. This is where your NGL ID is. You can copy the full link, like ngl.link, your username, and that's what you'll use to share with others. But if you're specifically looking for your NGL ID, it's just your username part. So in this case, your username is the ID. You can also bookmark this page or copy the link to share on Instagram, Snapchat, or wherever you want to receive anonymous messages. If you're using the NGL app, open it up and you'll see your NGL link on the homepage. Again, the part after the slash is your NGL ID, and that's how you find your NGL ID quickly and easily. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick how-tos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Have questions? Drop them in the comments.